I have Huawei Y6 Prime, and let me show you how to accomplish the factory reset operation on that device by using the Huawei settings. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen right here. Then let's find and select the settings icon right here. Choose here System, select Reset and choose Factory Data Reset. So in order to accomplish the full reset to erase all internal storage, let's tap Reset Phone. If you would like to accomplish that operation, tap Reset Phone again, and the device is deleting all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps. So let's just be careful and wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Alright, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start to activate your device and start using your phone. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.